Gopi fish, neon tetra fish, goldfish, betta fish, angel fish, discus fish, cichlids fish, clownfish, horse fish, parrot fish, lettuce, mollies, corridors, emerald dwarf rasbura fish, red-eye tetra fish, dwarf gourami fish, three-spot gourami fish, pearl gourami fish, bumblebee catfish, diamond tetra fish, Congo tetra fish, Quintians fish.